Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today I want to unbox this box from Johnny Lightning. It's brand new, just received it last week. And this is Street Freaks 2020 Release 1. And this is case B. And I already opened case A in another video. It's still sealed, so it's brand new for me. I don't know if there is a white lightning inside. So let's have a look. Let's open it up and see what cars are inside. So there it is, all sealed. Hopefully a white lightning somewhere in there. And let's pick them randomly. And this is the first one. It's from the Blacked Out series. Street Freaks, as I mentioned. And one of 2000. It's the 1972 Ford Gran Torino Sport with a white stripe on the side. There are some facts. So it's gloss black. Let's have a look at the back of the car. It looks like a white interior. Nice grille of the Torino. It's a very nice car, this one. Huge car. And let's have a look at the base. Metal base. And rubber tires. Let's have a look at the back of the packaging. There's the number. There you can see the year of release. And there are some other series on the right, and on the left are the cars inside this box. So this is the first one. Let's have a look at the next one. Very nice one, this one. Also limited to 2000 pieces. And it's a Chevy Tahoe, if you pronounce it that way, from 1997. Great piece, this one. I do like this one very much. This is from the Demolition Derby series. Metal base. And probably rubber tires. There's the packaging. Demolition Derby. Let's have a look at the other one from case A. So there you have both. Very nice. And quite limited. 2000 pieces is not much. So let's have a look at the next one. And there you have another favorite one of mine. It's the Ford pickup F1 from 1950, limited to 2480 pieces. There are some facts if you want to read them. In Tuscan tan is the color, and it's very nice, this one. from Projects in Progress series. Nice packaging, this one. And a very nice rusty version. I do like these old pickup trucks. Look at the grille, lots of rust and bad paint. Different rims, hubcaps missing. Base of the car, rubber tires. Let's have a look at the other one. So here you have both from case A and case B. Very nice pieces. Okay, have a look at the next one. And that's a Pontiac GTO from 1964, limited to 2,000 pieces in bronze metallic. And more info. There's the packaging, spoiler series. Let's have a look at the car. With the engine through the hood. And there's the back of the car. Let's have a look at the base. Okay, next one. And there you have black with flames. And this is AMC Rambler Wagon Custom from 1960. Limited to 2,000 pieces. And it's silver and green flames, black pearl. With green headlights. Let's have a look at the back. Bottom. I think I do like the other one more from case A with the purple flames. Also nicer rims. Okay. Next one. And that's already the last one. And here it is, it's the Zinger. So no white lightning in this in these two cases. There's the packaging. Limited to 2,000 pieces. Ultra orange pearl. Wild colors. There's the back. Chevy Camaro 1969. Juiced. White interior. There's the engine. the front. So that's my video. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye.